They say the best time to build a house was yesterday, and the next best time? Well, that's today. With current trends in home building, now is the perfect time to build your dream home with unbeatable opportunities just waiting for you. Here's why experts agree that now is the ideal time to build new with Carlisle Homes. Current market conditions are incredibly favourable. With great incentives available and eased demand, it's an opportunity for buyers to save money and move into their dream homes sooner. Carlisle's limited time Live Like a Star promotion offers luxury inclusions such as a designer kitchen, premium finishes, and energy-efficient features, all included at no extra cost. Supply chains have improved significantly over the past few months, making materials and skilled trades more accessible. This means Carlisle Homes can complete builds faster than ever. In fact, we are currently seeing new homes built in as little as 20 weeks. Plus, if you've got titled land, Carlisle can break ground in as little as 12 weeks if you're building an easy living home. It is also a great time to act financially. Lending policies are easing, so you may now have more buying power than you thought. With every new Carlisle home, quality is always guaranteed. From industry-leading brands and top-tier finishes to energy-efficient designs and a 25-year structural guarantee, your home is built for comfort, value, and longevity. Don't wait to make your dream a reality. Call Carlisle Homes today and let their expert team guide you on the first steps toward owning a beautifully crafted new home built for better living.